Hey, what is up guys? I hope you're having a very good day. So back when Android was relatively new and the very first Nexus devices had just been released, we had the Google Voice Assistant. Then in 2011 we were introduced to Google Now along with its feed and its mostly useful cards. And since 2016 we have had the Google Assistant. And the Google Assistant is by far the best assistant out there. It is much ahead of the competition. And it has a few tricks up its sleeve. And that is what we are going to be discussing today. Here are some of the most awesome and unique tips and tricks or features for the Google Assistant. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, did you know that the Google Assistant can beatbox for you? All you have to say is, "Okay Google, drop a beat for me." Okay, on the same subject as beatboxing, the Google Assistant can also rap for you. All you have to say is, "Okay Google, rap for me." It is more of a poem and less of a rap, but it is still a very cool feature to have. Okay, so number 3, you can teach the Google Assistant how to pronounce your name correctly. All you have to do is go into settings, personal info, nicknames, and over there you will get a few options on how to teach the Google Assistant to pronounce your name. You can either write down how to pronounce your name or you can literally pronounce it and the Google Assistant will learn how to pronounce your name correctly. Okay, so number 4, you can play Mad Libs with the Google Assistant. So Mad Libs is a very popular game played on The Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon, and you can play it on the Google Assistant. So basically what Mad Libs is that the Google Assistant will ask you some words and it will make up a story based on that word or words, and it will play back the story for you. The Google Assistant can also change your voice. It can make it louder, it can make it softer, it can make it go fast, or it can make it go slow. You can record anything and the Google Assistant will change the voice for you. This is more of an Easter egg rather than a feature, but it is still very cool to have. Next up is routines. So what routines basically is that from a single voice command you can trigger a number of actions. There is a good morning routine, a good night routine, and a leaving home routine. You can customize all of these routines. So for example, if you say good morning, the Google Assistant can tell you the weather, it can tell you the news, it can turn on some lights if you have Google Home or Google Home Mini. Okay, so this next feature is also more of an Easter egg rather than a feature, and it is the fact that the Google can do knock knock jokes. So all you have to say is, "Okay Google, knock knock," and every time the Google Assistant will give you a different response. Okay, this next feature is not currently available on the Google Assistant, and it is the Google Duplex. What Google Duplex basically is that the Google Assistant will in the future be able to make reservations. It will literally call the hotel manager or the restaurant manager and it will talk verbally with them and it will make reservations for you. Okay, so these are all the tips and tricks and features for the Google Assistant. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will hopefully see you guys in the next video.